Hey guys, my name is Tejas and I'm studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today let's discuss about linked data. In this video we'll discuss about abstract introduction of linked data, literature model, architecture model, methodology, result and conclusion of linked data. Abstract. Linked data refers to best practices for publishing and connecting structured data on the web, which have gained traction among data providers over the past 3 years, resulting in a vast global data space known as the Web of Data. This article explores the concept and technical principles of linked data, situating them within related technological advancements. It also reviews the current state of linked data publishing, highlights applications that leverage the web of data, and outlines a research agenda for the community's future development. Keywords: linked data, web of data, semantic web, data sharing, data exploration. Introduction. The World Wide Web has transformed knowledge sharing by making it easier to publish and access documents within a global information space. Hypertext links enable users to navigate this space through browsers, which search engines index and analyze document structures to gauge relevance to user queries. This openness has fueled the web's growth, but until recently, similar principles were not applied to data. Traditionally, data on the web has been presented as raw files like CSV or XML or as HTML tables, losing much of its structure and semantics. In the conventional hypertext web, relationships between linked documents are implicit due to the limitations of hypertext markup language, which lacks the expressiveness needed to connect individual entities through typed links. Literature model. Linked data focuses on using the web to establish typed links between data from diverse sources, such as databases from different organizations or systems within a single organization that have historically struggled to interpret. It involves publishing data in a machine-readable format with clearly defined meanings, linking to external datasets and allowing those datasets to link back. Unlike the hypertext web, which primarily connects hypertext markup language documents through untyped hyperlinks, linked data utilizes RDF (Resource Description Framework) to create typed statements that connect various entities in the world. This results in what can be termed the web of data, a network of real-world things described through data on the web. Linked data has a wide range of applications across various industries due to its ability to connect and integrate disparate datasets in a meaningful, machine-readable way. Below are some prominent applications of the linked data. The first one is semantic web and knowledge graphs. Semantic web. Linked data is a core technology of the semantic web, an extension of the World Wide Web that allows data to be shared and reused across application, enterprise, and community boundaries. It enables machines to understand and interpret web content in a more human-like way. Knowledge graphs. Major companies like Google, Microsoft, and Facebook are linked data to build knowledge graphs. These are databases that connect information about entities, peoples, places, and things to provide richer search results, improve recommendations, and enhance artificial intelligence applications. Open Government Data (OGD). Data transparency and accessibility. Governments around the world are publishing data sets as linked data to make public information more accessible and reusable. For instance, the United Kingdom and United States governments have open data portals, for example, data.gov.uk, data.gov, that leverage linked data to connect different types of governmental data, such as population statistics, health data, and financial records. Here is the data management and data portal. The third one is e-commerce and product data integration, product linking and recommendations. E-commerce platforms like Amazon and eBay uses linked data to interconnect product descriptions, reviews, and customer data. This allows better recommendation system and personalized shopping experiences. Supply chain management. Linked data enables supply chain data to be linked and shared across various stakeholders such as manufacturers, suppliers, and retailers. This enhances transparency and helps business optimize inventory, shipping, and production. Berners-Lee 2006 outlined a set of rules for publishing data on the web in a way that all published data becomes part of a single global data space. Where the first one is use URIs as name for things. Use HTTP URIs as that people can look up those names. When someone looks up a URI, provide useful information using the standards RDF and SPARQL. Includes link to other URIs so that they can discover more things. The linked data technology stack. Linked data relies on two technologies that are fundamental to the web: Uniform Resource Identifiers, which is also called as URIs, Berners-Lee at 2005, and the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is also called as HTTP, Fielding at 1999. While Uniform Resource Locators, which is also called as URIs, have been familiar as addresses for documents and other entities that can be located on the web. Uniform Resource Identifiers provide a more generic means to identify any entity that exists in the world. RDF links consist of RDF triples, where the subject is a URI reference from one dataset and the object is a URI reference from another. For example, the link states that the resource at from the particular website is a member of the resource at the another website. Dereferencing the subject URIs returns an RDF description of the MIT Decentralized Information Group. Dereferencing the object URI returns as RDF graph describing Tim Berners-Lee. The Linking Open Data Project. Conclusion. Linked data principles and practices have been adopted by an increasing number of data providers, resulting in the creation of a global data space on the web containing billions of RDF triples. Just as the web has brought about a revolution in the publication and consumption of documents, linked data has the potential to enable a revolution in how data is accessed and utilized. The success of web APIs has shown the power of applications that can be created by mashing up content from different web data sources. However, mashup developers face the challenge of scaling their development approach beyond fixed, predefined data slides to encompass large number of data sets with heterogeneous data models and access methods. In contrast, linked data realizes the vision of evolving the web into a global data commons, allowing applications to operate on top of an unbounded set of data sources via standardized access mechanisms. If the research challenges highlighted above can be adequately addressed, we expect the linked data will enable a significant evolutionary step in the leading the web to the full potential.